A is for apple, apple, apple. Red apple. B is for baby, baby, baby. Cute baby. C is for cat, cat, cat. Fluffy cat. D is for dog, dog, dog. Poppy dog. E is for egg, egg, egg. F is for fish, frog, frog. Colorful frog. G for grape,